Ready to erase those embarrassing Facebook video view? Let's clean up your history and make your feed feel brand new. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to clear videos you have watched on Facebook. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Under your activity, tap on the activity log. This is where all your Facebook activity is stored, even the videos you have watched. Tap on the videos you have watched. Now you are in the right place. Here you can clear out all your watch history or just pick a few videos. Tap on the three dot next to a video and select Delete to remove it. Or if you want to clear everything at once, just tap Clear Video Watch History. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on the Clear. Finally, say goodbye to those videos popping in your feed. And that's it. Your watch history is now cleared. Doesn't it feel nice to take control of your feed? So this is how to clear videos you have watched on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.